So the question here is, a body of mass 0.02 kgs falls for 5 meter in air and then falls into sand and is stopped by the force exerted by the sand. You need to find out the force exerted by the sand on the body. We'll assume that there is constant force being exerted by the sand on the body. So first let us find out what happens when the body falls for 5 meter in air. For 5 meter in air, initial velocity of the body was 0, acceleration is equal to g, we assume the lowermost direction to be positive, the displacement is 5 meters, let the final velocity be v, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, so we get 0 is equal to, no it is not 0, v square is equal to 0 plus 2 g into 5, so we get this as root over 10g. So we can assume this to be 10 meters per second. So we know that when the body enters the sand, its velocity is 10 meters per second. Now what happens when it enters the sand? When it enters the sand, its initial velocity was 10 meters per second. Its acceleration was something a. Its displacement is 5 centimeters. That is 5 by 100 meters. Its final velocity is 0. We again apply v square is equal to u square plus 2as to get 0 is equal to 100 plus 2a into 5 by 100. So we get this acceleration as minus 1000 meters per second square. So we need to find out the force exerted by the sand on the body. So when the body is going inside the sand, it is experiencing mg below and it is experiencing the force by the sand in the upward direction, which is a resistive force. Now the acceleration of the object is minus 1000, that is in the upwards direction. This is 1000 meters per second square in the upward direction. So we can write Fs minus mg is equal to ma, where m is the mass of the body equal to 0.02 kgs. Therefore Fs is equal to m into g plus a. So Fs is equal to 0.02 into 1010. Therefore this can be written as 20.20 newtons. So our final answer is force exerted by the sand on the body is 20.20 newtons in the upward direction, which is a resistive force.